Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you hide your friend list into Facebook from the public. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to hide your Facebook friend list, you simply have to open your Facebook account. And after opening your account into Facebook, simply click into these three bars into the top right corner. From there, you can go to settings by clicking to this gear icon into the top. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit and you can see this how people can find you and contact you option into audience and visibility setting. Simply click into that option. Now you can see here who can see your friend list into your friends setting. Just simply click to this public option here and then set audience preferences into only me. Then after doing this, your friend list will be hidden from the public. You can change it anytime if you feel like that. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.